Hi loves, it's me, Ciellykitty. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be doing, this is a long-awaited surprise video that I've been wanting to do for a very, very long time. As soon as I got the idea to do it, I've been procrastinating, and I'm so sorry for those of you who have been waiting for me. I wanted to do this, make this little bubble tea with you guys, as cosplaying as Ayato. I'm sorry that I didn't get the apron. I was gonna get a kitchen apron, but I didn't have enough time, so we're gonna be making some bubble tea. I have two flavors, and I think I'm gonna add a third for the green tea flavor. I'm not sure yet. So this is the Taro Milk Tea, and then the brown sugar milk tea. And I also want to add some flan to it, so I'm gonna be making some flan. I also got these super cool bubble tea jars. One of them has a little cover on them and the other one doesn't. And I want to see if these were any good. I bought them off Amazon. I'll probably link them below. But I thought it was a fun idea, so let's get started. Before I get started, I wanted to show you guys this. I got this off Mercari and I had it shipped directly to me. So I got my acrylic stands for Ayato and Ayaka. Super cute. I'm probably gonna open this at the end as we sip some bubble tea, so stay tuned. So first, let's make the flan. I've never made this in my life. I've made it by scratch, like by hand. I haven't made it from the box though, so this is new for me. Let's see what we need. We need 1/4 cup sugar to a heavy saucepan over medium-high heat. Cook without stirring until sugar melts, turns dark golden brown. Carefully pour caramel into a 2-cup mold or evenly divide among 4.5 cup molds set aside. Add 2 cups of milk. The saucepan, medium-high heat. Using whisk, gradually stir in contents of package. Bring milk mixture to a boil, stirring constantly. Mixture will be thin, about 5 minutes. Pour mixture into prepared molds. Cover, refrigerate until firm. Okay, so they also give you the option to do this in the microwave. I don't know if I want to do this in the microwave or if I want to do this on the stovetop. I don't know how much this is gonna make. I think I'm gonna do the fastest way, or do I want to do the slowest way? The 2 cups of milk. I think my area is cleaner here. So the package says that we need 2 cups of milk, so I'm gonna go grab some milk. I will be right back. So this is my 2 cups of milk, and I want to add some vanilla and vanilla bean. Sometimes this enhances the flavor of the flan. I've tried it before and it's really good. I have 2 of these. So I have 1 vanilla bean and 1 just regular vanilla, and I like to use both because I love vanilla. It's so good. The perfume that I have is vanilla scented and I love it so much. I'm only just gonna use a little bit. The tiniest amount. So probably, okay, about 1 teaspoon roughly. And then you're gonna use just a little bit of the paste, not too much. I like to see the vanilla bean in my pudding sometimes. I know, I'm a bit of a weirdo. Okay, so I only want a little bit. So I'd say just a little bit of a drop. Not too, maybe a little bit more. So just a pinch. You're just gonna stir that together. And then I'm gonna add this to my saucepan. It's not hot yet. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, it says. Okay, the vanilla bean is not coming off. It'll come off in a sec. Hold on. I wish I had a cinnamon stick, but I don't have any cinnamon sticks, unfortunately. I have the 2 cups of milk and contents to... Oh wait, no. Using a whisk, gradually stirring contents of package. I don't have a whisk, so I didn't buy one. So I'm gonna use a spoon. It's a pretty big mixture. Okay, I need a spoon. I can't decide which flavor I want to go for. I think I want to try this Taro Milk Tea. Let's see what the instructions say. So first, make a small tear in the boba packet, microwave the packet for 18 seconds, or you could do stovetop. You can prepare the milk tea with a hot water in a cup. And I think this set comes with straws too. Let's see. Okay, so it comes with 3 straws. There's only 3 packs in here, so there's one. Since we're doing one of each, I'm gonna do, I think I wanted to do green tea as well, so I'll do one of these first, and then I'll do one for Taro Milk Tea and then one for green tea. I have some powder. I have some matcha powder. I'm probably not gonna do it correctly. I also have mango black tea. I could use that as well. I have sweet matcha tea. And I can use this for tea latte mix. So I'm gonna use this for the 3rd flavor. Okay, so it says, tear the pouch and do this for 15 seconds. Okay, where's the tear? I think it's right here. Just a little bit. So I'll do 3 packs. I think I want to put this on a plate. Why did I do that? I need a little plate. And so this is why I actually need a new ring light, because this one always falls apart. You guys can't see this, but it just fell. And that was really loud. Why'd I have to be so loud? Anyways, let me just fix that. I need a new ring light. I really don't like this ring light at all. So let me do this for the 15 seconds. I think I want to put it in for 15 seconds. So I'm going to do 30 on mine, and then I'm just going to count down. So I took off the covers because I didn't like how they looked, and I'm probably gonna just do, let's see, which one do I want to do first? 1 Taro Milk Tea, 1 of these. Come on, open. 1 of the milk teas, and I'm just gonna put the sugar back because I don't need it anymore. Okay, so this one's gonna be the milk tea. Let me put the boba in each of them first. put the milk tea. I'm gonna put the milk tea in this little cup just so I can mix it. I'm first gonna do the taro one. Taro milk tea. I did not expect it to be purple powder, but ooh, it smells so good. It smells like tapioca. Okay, that was a little bit too strong. It smells like tapioca. It's got a purple hue. I don't know if that's so cool. Okay, so I have this one. I'm gonna do the taro one. These are the boba that I warmed up. Oh, they need like a few more minutes. Not a few more minutes, they just need another few seconds. These should be done. They seem a little bit hard to me. Maybe that's just... Should I try one? Okay, so on the package, it says do it for 15 seconds, and on here it says do it for 18. I don't know why that is. Okay, I guess I gotta do this again. Did I do this wrong? I have no idea if I did it wrong or not. I'll just do this again. It's a purple drink. This reminds me of Kokomi. Wait, Kokomi Sangonomiya? You know what I mean. I'm gonna just stir this a little bit. Okay, so this is the Taro Milk Tea. And let me get some ice. Oh, you know what? I gotta put the boba in first, and then the ice, and then the tea. These should be done. I kind of overcooked these, but that was on purpose because I like my boba chewy. It's okay. It's not as chewy as I'd like. Come on, go in. Oh, you know what? I want to add pudding to this too, but I have to wait on my flan to cool. It smells so good. I filled all 3 of these. So I've left time for this to chill a little bit, and I wanted to add some flan to my bubble tea. It actually cooled down perfectly. I'm like spilling everywhere. Don't mind me. Okay, now that's done, I can add my ice. It looks so weird with the flan in it. Doesn't it? It's probably gonna be so tasty though. I think I want to put 3 ice cubes in each, and then I gotta add the Taro Milk Tea, and then is that 2 ice cubes? 3. 2, 3, and then I'll add a 4th to the one that I'm doing. I really hope I don't spill this. Please don't spill this. I should probably do this over the sink, but I think I'll be okay. Ooh, perfect. Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm super excited to be trying this. It looks so good too. Okay, I need to wash this quickly. Okay, so this is the first one. It looks so good. I'm so tempted to try it. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, and then is this the second one? I really hope I don't get any stains on this. I shouldn't be wearing this. This is like a really nice sweater. This is the brown sugar milk tea. I want to roll up my sleeves because I'm so afraid of getting my sweater damaged. It's going to be a little bit hot. I don't want to spill this. Please don't. I've become such a pro at doing this. I'm so proud of myself. So on YouTube, there's this little... Me and my cat watch it. It's like drink mixing, and so I've been watching those and kind of inspired by them. And now for the last one, I'm going to be mixing this sweet matcha and some milk. So it's going to be a little bit different. I don't think I have a lot of powder though. Let's see how much powder I have. Okay, this one is the green tea. And I'm just going to add some hot water and then I'm going to add some milk to it. So this is the third drink mix. I wish I had a kitchen apron. It's too bad I don't have one though. I'm becoming more confident at this, huh? Okay, this is the third drink mix. Hi love, so we finally finished making my bubble tea. The first one I want to try is my Taro Milk Tea with some flan and boba. I wish it didn't have this design on it, but I guess when it had the silicone cover on it, it made an imprint. I hope it's really good. I hope it's sweet too. I love sweets. If you don't know that about me, I love sweets. Okay, very interesting. The boba is very chewy. The flan tastes really good too. I'm gonna try some of the taro. It's really good. Okay, let's try the green matcha tea with the flan. The flan is super good. Boba's really good too, and it's good with the milk. Okay, and the last one is my brown sugar. Very good, but not very sweet. Not as sweet as I'd like. Even the flan isn't that sweet either. I think this one is the only one that isn't sweet, so the milk tea is not sweet. If you want something really sweet, then don't get this one because the brown sugar in it is not sweet. I say that, but I keep drinking it, so it must be good. They're all really good.